waa naagta xumayda habar yoonis waxaasoo habaarahaya oo habaarahaya ilma hayba goox waxa habaarahaya waa naagta habar yoonis iimaanka alla kaa qaad waxaasoo dhan bay suuqa noo gelisay ilmahayba waa dhammaadeen ilmahayba ma joogaan ilmahayba waa joogaan waana joogahayaan eeyahay eedu dhash whoever you are you are a bastard Allah will destroy your family whoever destroying my father's children and my father hayba goox Ali Gardi he's still here because we're here Allah you sell our names you shirshare habar waa sell our names Allah will sell your names Allah will sell your children's names because you don't like Yahya Abdullah you don't like the Yahya Abdullah lady her children is here Amir Ali daughter her children is still here her grandchildren is still here okay her grandchildren the 4 of her grandchildren is still here 9 of her grandkids is still here so you are a liar you are stealing our name wallahi ya billahi ya tallah you people is stupid you understand